How patients log in using the welcome sheet in Cankado patient app. Your physician will provide a welcome sheet as shown when they create an account for you in Cankado. Log in on Cankado patient app with username and password in the welcome sheet. Type Cankado in Google Play Store or in the Apple Store. Select the icon as shown. Install the app. Open the Cankado patient app when the download is complete. Here you have the option to select your preferred language. Select your language and click on Save. You need to select the option, Existing User. Enter the username and password given on the welcome sheet. Click on Login. You will be prompted to change your password. Enter your old password or password given on the welcome sheet. Enter the new password and repeat it for confirmation. Now click on Save. This is the menu view and you have now successfully activated your Cankado patient account. Now you can use the Cankado patient app to monitor and report on your health status.